If you're looking for the absolute best teleprompter for Mac, oh, I have incredible news. Not only the app I'm gonna show you today has the best-in-class voice scrolling algorithm, it has 4 more unique features that make other teleprompter apps look undercooked in comparison. And at the end, I'll also give you a simple tip on how to massively improve your video quality when recording on your Mac. But before I'll show you the app, let me give you some context. A year ago, I joined a marketing team in a tech SaaS startup that sells AI agents to enterprise companies. I was asked to own most of the digital content we were producing, especially the videos. So I started hosting live webinars, podcasts, producing case studies, product release videos, and fun creative ads. Basically, a lot of video content. And it was mostly fun, apart from the fact that we didn't have time to memorize all the scripts, and I have to be honest here, all the teleprompter apps we could find simply sucked for our use cases. So I saw an opportunity to make a good one. This way, VoicePrompter was created, and after seeing it growing exponentially month over month, I left the company to invest all of my time into building the best teleprompter in the world. Well, and make some YouTube videos. So, what is so special about VoicePrompter, and why people are saying it is so much better than every other teleprompter app out there? At its core, there's a custom word matching algorithm that uses Apple's on-device speech recognition to understand what you're saying and scroll the script automatically with the exact pace you're speaking. So you don't have to worry about setting the right speed or anything actually. It just works out of the box. And if you go off script, it will wait for you no matter what and then continue scrolling automatically. And because it is a native macOS application built in Swift, I made it completely invisible on screen recordings, screenshots, and during screen sharing in any video conferencing app like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, FaceTime, anything. So you can read your script naturally or have your notes right in front of you at any time and nobody will know. The window floats on top of every other application, even full screen ones, so you don't have to fidget with split screens, with notes or Google Docs. You could put it near your camera to make the perfect eye contact, or even make it follow your mouse automatically to click some buttons, show some demos, and still see your notes directly in front of your eyes at all times. And all of this is just one click away, because VoicePrompter lives in the menu bar. This means you can store your scripts or notes in your favorite places: Google Docs, Notes, Notion, Obsidian, anything really. And once the script is ready, you can start it with just one button in the menu bar. The app works in 60 plus languages and detects them automatically, and yes, it does work with accents. I don't speak Spanish at all, but check this out.
El algoritmo es realmente impresionante. Si entiendes lo que digo, por favor, suscríbete al canal. El mero hecho de que se desplace es casi un milagro. Puedes descargarlo gratis y probarlo tú mismo.
And even if your language is not supported by Apple, I also added a sound scrolling mode. In this mode, VoicePrompter will scroll if it detects any speech at all with a set scrolling speed.
Blah 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 blum 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 blum.
Just recently, one of VoicePrompter users emailed me saying that he used sound scrolling mode for a Chinese TV broadcast speaking Mandarin, and it worked well. I hope by now you're starting to understand why people called it the best teleprompter for Mac, and why more than 600 people have it on their Macs already. But I just covered the surface here. It has so much more to offer. Let me briefly mention some other features. Mirroring mode for physical beam splitter glasses like Elgato or newer, a semi-transparent, adjustable window that lets you see what's underneath. I'm looking at you, Loom. Click any word to jump straight to it if you ever lose your place, edit your scripts on the go, presenter notes let you write little cues in square brackets that are skipped automatically like smile or pause here or fantastico, save, search and manage all your scripts privately on device, no cloud, no account needed. A fully customizable look, font, text size, text color and background color, plus automatic dark and light modes. Pick any mic source to use with external mics connected to your Mac. Settings presets so you can switch your whole setup for a different kind of recording in one tap. A customizable menu bar window loaded up with your favorite controls so you can adjust your settings on the fly. Start any script from anywhere using the macOS Services menu. And the cherry on top, stats screen that shows how many words you've spoken through the app, which is weirdly satisfying to watch climb. And the most important part, you don't have to take my or anyone's word for it, because VoicePrompter is free to try. You get a demo script plus 3 scripts of unlimited length to test with your own content. And if you need more scripts, there's both a one-time purchase and subscription options available. The link to the Mac App Store is below. And to make the deal even better, by the time this video is released, the native iOS app should also be live, or coming in a week or so, depending on when you're watching. And I believe it has a chance to be the best iOS teleprompter on the market, with the same word matching algorithm and even more unique features. By the way, if you already have a license to VoicePrompter for Mac, well, good news, you'll get the iOS app for free. Remember, I promised you a tip to improve the video quality of recording on your Mac? So here are 2 tips, both very simple but extremely efficient. If you have an iPhone where you're logged into the same Apple account, you can use it as your webcam wirelessly. It will look 5 times better than a built-in camera or even an external webcam. I do this a lot, and I even built myself a magnetic attachment to place my phone on a MacBook's lid, but you can find similar mounts online. And if you can't or don't want to use your iPhone, here's an even simpler tip. Just make sure the glass in front of the camera is clean. Just look at the difference. Alright, go check VoicePrompter out and tell me in the comments if you also think it is in fact the best teleprompter app for Mac. And if you'd like to follow my journey and see what I'm building next, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and take care.